Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, as you know that we were doing exercise 12.3 and we have done some of the statement sums. Okay, so we have already done up to question number 11. Okay, and today we have to start with the question number 12, statement number 12 of exercise 12.3. Okay, so I'll just write on the topic, that is exercise 12.3. This is the exercise number 12.3. Okay, in spite of writing it here, I should put it here. Maths exercise is 12.3. Okay, now the question number 12 of exercise 12.3 is: a cloth merchant sold 18 meter 78 centimeter cotton and 39 meter 86 centimeter terracotta cloth to his customers. How much total cloth did he sell? So in this question it is given that a cloth merchant is here and he has sold a different type of two clothes to his customers. तो एक क्लोथ मर्चेंट है. क्लोथ मर्चेंट मीन्स दैट शॉपकीपर जो कि क्लोथ बेचते हैं, जो कपड़ा बेचते हैं, उनको क्लोथ मर्चेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो एक क्लोथ मर्चेंट जिसने कि उसने एक टू टाइप्स के क्लोथ्स भेजे. द फर्स्ट इज ऑफ द कॉटन एंड द सेकेंड वन इज ऑफ टेरिकॉट. ओके, सो ही हैज सोल्ड cotton cloth of 18 meter and 78 centimeter, and the length of terracotta cloth that he has sold is near about 39 meter and 86 centimeter. So this is the length, this is the measurement of the clothes of different cloth, cotton and the terracotta, that he has sold to his different customers. Okay, now the question is that how we have to tell that how much total cloth did he sell. तो हमें बताना है कि उसने टोटल कपड़ा कितना बेचा अपने कस्टमर्स को. Okay, so what will be the statement? Okay, so देखिए क्वेश्चन है a cloth merchant sold 18 meter 78 centimeter cotton and 39 meter 86 centimeter terracotta. So question the statement will be cotton cloth sold, terracotta cloth sold and total cloth sold. Okay, so let's write the solution. That is 12th one. Cotton cloth sold is equal to 18 meter 78 centimeter. Okay, next is the terracotta cloth, TERY, terracotta cloth sold that is 39 meter 86 centimeter. Okay, so now the question is how much total cloth did he sell. The total cloth sold, that we have to find out. Total cloth sold. Okay, वो हमें find out करना है. So we will calculate it by adding the measurement of these two clothes, that is meter and the second one is centimeter. 18 meter 78 centimeter, 39 meter 86 centimeter. Now we will add it. Okay, so now we are going to add it. अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. 8 plus 6 14, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 will be here, 1 will be carried here. 8 plus 9 17 plus 1, that is 18. 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5. So the total cloth sold is 58 meter and 64 centimeter. Total cloth sold is 58 meter 64 centimeter. So this is the total length or the total measurement of the cloth that is being sold, okay, by the cloth merchant. So this is the total length of the cloth or total measurement of the cloth that is being sold by the cloth merchant. Okay, so the question was the cotton cloth sold, that is 18 meter 78 centimeter. Terracotta cloth sold, that is 39 meter 86 centimeter. And the total cloth sold, that we have to find out, and we will find out it by adding the both numbers. So after adding them both, we got 58 meter and 64 centimeter. So at last we will write the solution sentence. Therefore total cloth sold is 58 meter and 64 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 12. Okay, so you can just pause the video here and write down the solution of question number 12 of exercise 12.3. Okay, chaliye, next is 13th one. Shilpi runs 18 kilometer 250 meter on Monday and 21 kilometer and 900 meter on Tuesday. Find the total distance she runs in 2 days. तो हमें बताना है कि total distance उसने कितना रन किया 2 दिन में. तो there is a girl whose name is Shilpi and she is running, वो रन करती है, वॉक करती है, रनिंग करती है. ओके, सो वो उसने मंडे को कितना रन किया, नियर अबाउट 18 किलोमीटर्स 250 मीटर्स. ओके, एंड ऑन ट्यूजडे शी रैन अबाउट 21 किलोमीटर्स एंड 900 मीटर. सो ये जो डिस्टेंस है उसका दिया हुआ है कि जो उसने मंडे को और ट्यूसडे को कवर किया बाय रनिंग. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस शी रन्स इन 2 डेज. तो 2 दिन में उसने टोटल कितनी रनिंग की, ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 13. 13th question is Shilpi runs on Monday and on Tuesday. Okay, distance run on Monday. Distance run on Monday. Monday को कितना रन किया, near about, that is 18 kilometers 250 meters. 18 kilometer 250 meter. Okay, next is distance run on Tuesday. Distance run on ट्यूसडे. ट्यूसडे को कितना रन किया, नियर अबाउट 21 किलोमीटर्स एंड 900 मीटर्स. 21 किलोमीटर 900 मीटर. Now the question is that we have to find out the total distance run in 2 days. Total distance run in 2 days. 2 दिन में टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस रन किया, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, and we can calculate it by only adding the distance run on Monday and as well on Tuesday. So that is kilometer and meter. That the first distance run on Monday is 18 kilometers and 250 meters. Distance run on Tuesday is 21 kilometer and 900 meter. Now we are going to add it. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So the total distance she runs in 2 days is 40 kilometer and 150 meter. Total distance ran कितना है, that is 40 kilometers and 150 meter. So this is the total distance that she had covered in the 2 days. So distance run on Monday is 18 kilometers 250 meter. Distance run on Tuesday is 21 kilometers 900 meter, and the total distance run in 2 days, that we will calculate by adding 18 kilometers 250 meter plus 21 kilometers and 900 meters. So after adding them both, we got the answer, that is 40 kilometers and 150 meters. So therefore total distance run is 40 kilometers and 150 meters. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 13 of exercise 12.3. Okay, so you can just pause the video and write down the solution of question number 13 of exercise 12.3. Okay, chaliye. Now moving next to the question number 14. A lighthouse is 35 meter and 39 centimeter taller than a building which is 23 meters and 78 centimeter tall. How tall is the lighthouse? Okay, so देखिए इसमें question क्या है. Okay, I am having this pencil and this pen. Okay, these two things. Okay, so suppose this is a lighthouse, this pencil is a lighthouse, and this is a building. Okay, so now the question is, जो लाइट हाउस है इज 35, दिस पेंसिल इज 35 मीटर एंड 39 सेंटीमीटर टॉलर देन दिस पेन. ये पेंसिल इससे 39 सेंटीमीटर मीटर और 39 सेंटीमीटर लंबी है, और जबकि ये जो पेन है इसकी लेंथ क्या है, 23 मीटर्स 78 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो आपको ये बताना है, या तो आपको सिंपली देखिए, मैं कह रही हूँ कि दिस पेंसिल इज 2 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्गर देन दिस पेन. This pencil is 2 centimeter longer than this pen. ये पेंसिल इस पेन से 2 सेंटीमीटर ऊंची है, और इस पेन की हाइट कितनी है, दैट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. सब आपको ये बताना है तो इस पेंसिल की हाइट कितनी होगी, क्योंकि हमने जो 2 सेंटीमीटर बताया है वो बताया कि इस पेन से ये पेंसिल कितनी बड़ी है. सो इस पेन से ये पेंसिल 2 सेंटीमीटर बड़ी है, और इस पेन की हाइट है दैट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो आपको क्वेश्चन बताना है कि दैट व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ दिस पेंसिल. सो अगर आप 5 सेंटीमीटर में 2 सेंटीमीटर ऐड कर दोगे तो आपके पास इस पेंसिल की हाइट आ जाएगी, तो दैट विल बी 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो ऐसे ही हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, द लाइट हाउस इज 35 मीटर 39 सेंटीमीटर टॉलर देन अ बिल्डिंग. जो एक लाइट हाउस है वो एक बिल्डिंग से 35 मीटर एंड 39 सेंटीमीटर टॉलर है, और जबकि जो बिल्डिंग है उसकी हाइट कितनी है, दैट हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज 23 मीटर्स एंड 78 centimeter. So now the question is that we have to find the length of the lighthouse. अब हमें लाइट हाउस की लेंथ बतानी है. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट. Fourteenth is लेंथ ऑफ बिल्डिंग, जिसकी लेंथ दी है सबसे पहले हम वो लिखेंगे, लेंथ ऑफ बिल्डिंग is 23 meters 78 centimeter. 23 meters 78 centimeter. This is the length of the building. Length of light house. Length of lighthouse. Yeah, use the length of lighthouse more than building. बिल्डिंग से कितनी ज्यादा है ये हमें लिखना है. लेंथ ऑफ लाइट हाउस मोर देन बिल्डिंग इज 35 मीटर 39 centimeter. 35 meter and 39 centimeter. So now the question is, how tall is the lighthouse? Length of lighthouse. अब हमें lighthouse की length निकालनी है. Okay? देखिए, लेंथ ऑफ बिल्डिंग इज 23 मीटर 78 सेंटीमीटर एंड द लेंथ ऑफ लाइट हाउस मोर देन बिल्डिंग. जो लाइट हाउसेस की बिल्डिंग से कितनी लंबी है हाइट, दैट इज 35 मीटर 39 सेंटीमीटर. बट हमें एग्जैक्ट अभी लाइट हाउस की लेंथ बतानी है, सो वो भी हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? वी विल कैलकुलेट इट बाय एडिंग द लेंथ ऑफ बोथ दीज. सो लेट्स ऐड मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर. That is 23 meter 78 centimeter, 35 meter 39 centimeter. Okay, 8 plus 9 17. Okay, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 that is 11. 3 plus 5 8 plus 1 that is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the length of the lighthouse is 59 meter and 17 centimeter. Therefore length of light house is 59 meter and 17 centimeter. So this is the length of the lighthouse. Okay, ये क्वेश्चन बेटा बाकी क्वेश्चन से हमारा अलग है काफ़ी. ओके, देखिए इसमें लेंथ ऑफ बिल्डिंग वॉज गिवन, दैट वॉज 23 मीटर्स एंड 78 सेंटीमीटर. बट उन्होंने बोला, उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि वहाँ पे एक लाइट हाउस भी है जो कि उस बिल्डिंग से कितना लंबा है, दैट इज 35 मीटर एंड 39 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द लाइट हाउस. ओके, सो लाइट हाउस की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल ऐड द लेंथ ऑफ बोथ, द लेंथ ऑफ बिल्डिंग एंड द लेंथ ऑफ लाइट हाउस मोर देन द बिल्डिंग. सो आफ्टर adding both we got 59 meter and 17 centimeter. So what is it? It is the exact length of the lighthouse. So here I have written the solution sentence, that is, therefore length of lighthouse is 59 meter and 17 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 14 of exercise 12.3. So you can just pause the video here and write down the solution of question number 14 of exercise 12.3. Okay, chaliye, now moving next. Okay, so now with this our exercise 12.3 is over, and this exercise was related to addition of the measurement of length. Now we will move to the next exercise, that is exercise 12.4, which is related to the subtraction of the measurements. Okay, Subtraction meter in meters and centimeters, kilometers and meters. So that means subtraction of the measurements. This is the next topic. Okay, chaliye. Exercise 12.4. Subtract the following. Okay, so now we have to subtract it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so for that I have to erase it and change the topic as well. The next one is the subtraction of measurement. Exercise is 12.4. Now the question is, the first question is, subtract the following: 239 meter 62 centimeter from 458 meter and 87 centimeter. Subtract question number 1. 239 meter 62 centimeter from 458 meter and 87 centimeter. Okay, so now we have to subtract 239 meter 62 centimeter from 458 meter and 87 centimeter. From is there, so that means हमें from का means okay, from छोड़िए, from का मतलब होता है बेटा इसको इससे माइनस करना है. ओके, अगर स्टिल इफ यू गॉट कंफ्यूज तो देखिए which one is the bigger, 239 is bigger or 458 is bigger. Obviously 458 is bigger. Okay, second चीज हमने क्या देखनी है, it is meter and centimeter, it is also meter and centimeter. So that means that is both are in the same unit, so we can easily subtract it. तो हम इसको easily subtract कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's subtract it. Meter, centimeter. 458 meter, 87 centimeter, 239 meter and 62 centimeter. We have to subtract. Minus the sign. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 9, is it possible? No. So it will borrow from here and it will become 4 and it will become 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 219 meter and 25 centimeter. So we have to write the answer separately as well, that is 219 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay, just don't forget to write the answer separately. देखिए सिंपल दे, दैट इज दिस इज अ सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन. जो अभी तक आप करते हो दैट इज सेम. ओके, बिल्कुल सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन, इसमें कुछ अलग नहीं है बेटा. ओके, सो आपको सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 239 meter and 62 centimeter from 458 meter and 87 centimeter. So after, first of all we have put it into the column form, and after putting it into the column form we have subtracted. We have done the simple subtraction, and of subtraction we got 219 meters and 25 centimeter. Okay, chaliye next one. Okay, the next is, second one is 106 meter and 18 centimeter from 200 meter and 9 centimeter. This is the simple one, so you will do it yourself only. So you have to do question number 2 of exercise 12.4. So let's do question number 3. that is 442 meter 8 centimeter from 586 meter. Okay, so let's do third question of exercise 12.3. Okay, so the third question is 442 meter okay 8 centimeter from 586 meter. तो नाउ हमें क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 442 मीटर और 8 सेंटीमीटर को 586 मीटर से. ओके, सो सबसे पहले फ्रॉम मीन्स इसको इससे करना है. सो 586 वहाँ पे सिर्फ मीटर है एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग मीटर एंड द सेंटीमीटर बोथ. सो दैट मीन्स अब हम क्या करेंगे. सो इन द प्लेस ऑफ द मीटर यू विल पुट 0. ओके, मीटर सेंटीमीटर. That is 442 meters and 8 centimeter. अब देखिए यहाँ पे 8 है, but in the centimeters we will be having 2 digits. So we will write it as 80 or 08. We will write it as 08 because अगर हम 8 के पीछे लगाएंगे 0 तो वो 80 सेंटीमीटर बन जाएगा. But question में हमारे पास क्या है? That is 8 centimeter only. So that means we are going to put 0 here. Okay. Next, subtract 586 meter को same वैसे करना है ना. So 586 meter only. There is nothing in the centimeter, but in centimeter we must be having at least 2 digits. But यहाँ हमारे पास नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 0 लगा देंगे. Next, 442 meter and 8 centimeter. Here it is 8 centimeter. तो हमें 8 centimeter ही रखना है, उसको 80 centimeter नहीं बनाना है. So we will put a 0 in the front and it will be 8 centimeter. So let's subtract it. 0 minus 8 possible? No. So it will borrow from here. But इसके पास भी नहीं है, so it will go to here. And here it will go, give it to 1 to this and it will become 5 and it will become 10. And जब ये इसको दे देगा तो ये बन जाएगा 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 4, 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 143 meter and 92 centimeter. So this is the answer. That is 143 meter and 92 centimeter. Okay. So देखिए क्वेश्चन हमारे पास दिया हुआ था that we have to subtract 442 meter and 8 centimeter from 586 meter. So first of all we have to put them in the column form. सबसे पहले हमने इसको column form में arrange किया. So देखिए here we were having only 586 meter. But in this we are having the meter as well as the centimeter. तो हमारे पास मीटर और सेंटीमीटर दोनों था. तो यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर में हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था, तो उसके लिए हम क्या लगाएंगे, we will put 0, 2 zeros. तो in the centimeter you must be having at least 2 zeros. तो यहाँ पे हमने 2 zeros लगा दी. Okay. Next is the question. We have to subtract 442 meter and 8 centimeter. So 442 is okay. बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिर्फ 8 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, 0 पीछे लगाएंगे, आगे ऑब्वियसली आगे. अगर हम इसके पीछे 0 लगाते तो क्या होता है, ये 8 सेंटीमीटर ना रह के क्या बन जाता, 80 सेंटीमीटर. बट वी रिक्वायर्ड ओनली 8 सेंटीमीटर, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव पुट अ 0 हियर. सो आफ्टर डूइंग द सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन, जो कि आज तक आप करते हो, सिंपल वही सब्ट्रैक्शन है बेटा. So after doing that one, you got the answer, that is 143 meter and 92 centimeter. So this is the answer that you have got after subtracting it. Okay, so you can just pause it here and write down the solution of the question number 3 of exercise 12.4. Okay. Next you are having some more questions of the subtraction from up to question number 8. Okay, so just do question number 1 we have done and 3rd we have done. So do question number 2 and 4 by yourself, and tomorrow next session we will start with 5th sum. Okay, so आपको question number 2 और 4 करना है of exercise 12.4. okay, so with this was our today's session. So with this I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.